right there, a very happy weekend. So here I am once again with you all to share a potting of this beautiful Syngonias saplings. So let's get started. I would like to show you the soil composition that I always use for my plants, especially androids. It consists of garden soil, sand, perlite, rice husk and coco peat and little bit of vermicompost. So let's get started. I have this beautiful planter and this terracotta pots. Fine. So I'll be potting it, and as I always say, we need to use pebbles or brick pieces or any broken terracotta pot underneath. So I have done that. Now let's start with the mixture. You can see my Syngonias. They are the small saplings, okay, with beautiful roots. I have 3 varieties. So this is one variety, this is another, and this is one more. So accordingly I have chosen the pot. You have to be very careful. If your plant is small, you can't offer a bigger pot. So be wise while choosing what pot you are using, what size of pot. Let's get started. So I have filled it, and the roots look very pretty. And Syngonias, why I use this, because I'll be putting this tree, this planter in my living room, so they can go with low light also. They don't need bright sunlight. It's not mandatory, okay? That's why I have chosen them for indoor plant. Okay, there it goes. I'll fill it more. Soil plays a very important role for a plant because they grow there. It helps them in their nourishment. So this is one, and let me get started with another. So I'll be using, as this is very tiny, I'll be using 2 of them. And once they are root bound, if they are full, they grow, I'll shift to them, shift to a bigger pot. But as of now, I'll be placing them over here. So what are your weekend plans, everyone? Are you all out somewhere? Vacations? But please do maintain the protocols for COVID. Maintain distance, use the mask, use sanitizer. We should not forget that COVID is not gone yet. So maintaining the protocols will help us to have a safe life. Guwahati is still very hot. Winters have not come yet. So see, this is one more. So I'll put it here, and then the final one. Okay, I'll put the soil. And then I'll take the 3rd variety of Syngonia. Let me remove this. Here also I'll take 2 pieces. Then it will look good. The bunch will look good. Okay. Here it goes. Little bit of soil. Yes. There it is. A dab, 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 and there it is. So see how easy and instant this is done. And I'll water it. Just give me a moment. First thing, you should always keep your soil ready and handy. The soil should be there, and then there is nothing to worry. You water it. There it goes. And I'll be watering it next when the topsoil is completely dry. And there my planter is all set. Ta-da! Thank you. Love you all.